helping you better understand how to make money online with these simple to follow tips. Do you want more say-so over how you earn an income? Like you, many people want to learn how to be their own boss and love what they do. You can do this by making money online. Times are changing, and there are so many opportunities to do this with the help of the internet. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. If you did not know you could make money online before now, you have been missing out. It is time to take control and make your own money online, too. The information given here should get you started. You will be surprised to learn just how many ways you can get started with online money making. Student loan.